Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about my dear Libra, and the question is what is happening to my dear Libra in September 2020. I am directly going towards your reading. Okay, my dear Libra, your first card is Five of Wands. You are having fighting with someone or your relatives or and your with your relatives or your friends, someone you are having a quarrel or fight in this month. And with this card, with this due to this fight, you are having nightmares, sleepless nights, stress burden over your shoulders, and you are crying at the night. You are you're stressful at this moment, and with this situation you have to make some decision about this situation. Rather you want this person or this situation be with you, or you want to leave this situation, what is good for you or what is not. And there is this fight going on in this month, and then you decide to leave someone, to cut someone from your life that is no longer deserve you, no longer give you any happiness, and don't do any good for you. And you are cutting this person from your life. You are telling them the truth without any threat that you are not happy with them any longer and you want to leave them. And this will give you much more stress to talk to that person like this, or to tell them the truth that you are not happy with them, you are going to leave them. This will give you more stress than before. Then you have this card of Magician, but you want to do something, you want to have independence in your life, you want to have something else in your life, but is that thing is making you happy, that thing is making you more powerful, that thing is making you that thing will give you more profit, and you are doing here something for that situation, for that thing. Okay, maybe there is a third party situation. In this situation I am seeing there is this triangle in this circle, and you want someone else. This could be possible for some of you. This is also the situation that you have someone else in your life, and that's why you are leaving this person and you want to go towards someone else. And this is the situation that you are fighting over, or maybe this could be some other situation that you are fighting, but you are manifesting something over here, and I can see that you are going to have this thing in your life. The snake is shedding his skin, and you are going to tell them some truth, and that's why they are the fighting is happening over here. Or maybe you are telling them yet you are not happy with them and you want to leave them. That's why there is this fighting is happening. Okay, this person, I think this person is this person that you have the quarrel with. This person is a very angry person, very aggressive person, and they will take the revenge from you. It could be possible that this person is the person that want to take the revenge from you. Okay, with this King of Pentacles, you are going to have everything, but you are having the money, you are having maybe this person is going to serve you more, that you don't leave them. Okay, to change your mind, they are going to serve you more. They are playing the music for you, they are giving you more food, making the food for you. You have authority over here, you have food, you have money, you have loyaltiness. And I think you are very practical, very professional person. That's why you know what is good for you, and you are doing only that is good for you. Okay, you are not going to do the thing that is not good for you, because you are very professional. You are very practical person. Okay, keep an open mind. Okay, this card is upside down. The keep an open mind. This card is upside down. This person is not happy with you. This person, they will do something bad to you. I can see this. They will take a revenge with you. Retreat. They are not coming with you after that call, after that speaking that you are not happy with them yet, or you don't want that person. They are not want to live with you anymore. No romantic feelings for that person, or they have no romantic feelings for you. Okay, reconciliation with someone, with that person or with someone else. And trust card. Trust. Maybe you are going to reconcile with someone else. That person is from your past, and trust over that person, not this person, over that person. Make the effort to win their heart, and do a lot of work, working too hard, angel of time, working hard for to gain that person's trust, to gain that person's love. Okay, and what is this? Sparrow. That the other person that you are going, that you are marrying in the future, that person is a very innocent, very cute, very loving, very caring person. This very innocent, a childlike person, and they are very good person. And I think you are both having some conversation, meetings, and communication with each other, or maybe you are that person is writing you a letter. They are preparing for you, are doing a lot to write them a letter. You are collecting things to write them a letter, and you are thinking about that person. You are attracted about that person, and you want to change something over here. And there is a flower, and with lots of love blossoming. This situation leads you with this person will bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of love, a lot of goodness in your life. Pair. Also reconciliation, or maybe this is the you are both are the couple, or soulmate. Okay. This is what is happening for you, my dear Libra, in the month of September 2020. And if you want to know more about this situation, some other situation, then you can keep watching my video, and you will surely get some help from there. You can also see my previous videos, and please like, share, subscribe my videos, please, please, please. It will make me happy if you do that. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.